up, what's happening? It's your boy Vaughn the Best. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're old, what's up, what's going on, what's going on? Today's video is going to be mostly, I think, a vlog slash revamping of my room. I did recently have a video where I moved everything around because I was actually going to be buying new stuff and on Amazon, and it has all arrived. And we're going to go through that, and then we're going to set it up, and we're just going to try to, you know, make the room look delicious as it needs to be. Yeah, let's get into it. Jackson. All right. Alright guys, so I spray painted my pots gold to match the accents in my room. So this is gonna be the big reveal. I can't wait to see them. I left them outside overnight, so they shouldn't smell that bad. Look at them! Oops. Oh. It's perfect. Why there's ants everywhere? I don't know. I do not do that. Looks so pretty. Just a heads up for people who are trying to spray their pots or anything like that. Be careful, because like literally the littlest thing can make them chip, which is so annoying, but for the most part it looks great. I'm so happy. It's thriving. I'm thriving. We're thriving. The thrive is real. So now when it comes to stuff that I bought off of Amazon, ooh, we're pretty close, I know. So I bought a chair, you know, for my desk that is behind me. I got me a little small one, because desks are really expensive right now because a lot of people are working from home or going to school from home, and I don't think I need like a more expensive desk that I already have. Like in total I bought like 3 desks within 3 years, but because I work from home, that's why the other ones, and then my roommate took the other one. So then see what I got from Amazon. So I decided to get this gold hoop things. So they're actually supposed to be for dream catchers, but what I'm gonna do is I have vines that I bought to go around the room, and I'm going to like weave them into here because I want to have like a hanging plant situation going on above. Hang right there. I was like, oh, I need to have something hanging, which is gonna be vines. Ooh, I don't know, vines. I guess that's how I say it. But I was gonna have vines hanging from up there, so I was gonna do it that way because I didn't even notice those hooks were up there, to be honest. But everything worked out. Look at God. So I had bought the vines. I bought a pack of 130 something, I believe. So hopefully this is enough. It looked like it's gonna be a lot, which is good because I need a lot. Yeah, this looked like it's gonna be enough. But these are the vines. They smell horrible. Yeah, I don't like the smell at all. I'll spray it with like Febreze or something. But it's secure. There it is. Yeah, and I wanted like some. Oh wow, it does smell horrible. It smells worse when you get it out of the bag, but it smells like fish food. Yeah, it does. Wow, that threw me off. Alright, okay, so the vines, I wanted to make sure that they were like a light color so that they could be like, so the sun can shine on them and they still like be shining and stuff like that. They're like a yellow greenish color. I'll put the link down below for them. They weren't that expensive. They were like $20, I think. So then my chair and then my decks. So what I'll do is I'm gonna do the decks and the chairs since those will be the hardest to do and get that out of the way because I really need to move stuff around. My room has to just, we gotta vamp this up. Like we gotta do something. I'm tired of living in a room that is not like completely me. So we need to do something now. So yeah. I'm just gonna show you what I got, and now back to putting shit together. So with the deck situation, I have been seeing a lot of reviews of people saying that the deck's been coming in broke. So I really, really hope that this deck did not come in broke. Please God, please. It has fragile, so hopefully people value fragile. All right. Oh, it's not broke. Thank Jesus. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Oh, Henny, let me tell you. So this is mostly put together, like. So this is my type of building stuff. This is my type of building stuff. So look, this is already put together. So honestly, all I have to do is just put that metal part in this part, and it should be done. Like, let's see. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is practically fit it in, and then just clip it on. All I have to do is just put the feet on them, and we're done. Oh, this is the type of shit I like. Baby, yes, I love inside of me, and all I wanna do is give it to her. Bring it down. Only a few steps, but I still got confused. Let me see. I did it. Okay. This is a new addition to the family. Zanika. She's popping. We like her. She's a mood. Alright, so let's see. Oh god. Oh god. Oh lottie. Alright, time to do the chair. This is more pieces, I can tell.
Morales.
Got my vines, and we are going to. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. I know I keep saying that, but oh, honey, I should have aired these out. I'm frustrated. Okay, so. Try to cut my own leg. Let's see. I mean, I can also do a dream catcher. Maybe that could be a little brother. Okay. This is doing a lot right now. It's really pissing me off. Okay, so this is how much you get in a bundle. I'm making it sound like it's weave, but this is how much you get in one of those little packs that I just pulled out. So yeah, look, I remember like a forest to start in. But what I plan on doing is I'm going to just put it through like so. Like so. I don't really know how long I want it to be, but I know I want it to be gothy, whatever I do. Baby doll. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in here. Practically any type of way. So I want to have different like heights and stuff. So yeah. Up, girl. Alright, so I'm gonna do it standing up because I feel like it's gonna be a lot easier. And I just sat down because I have to grab the vine. But let's see. And we have a hanging plant. Realness going on. Looks fake, but it's okay. It's okay. I think I may need a little bit more, but for the most part, it looks like it's gonna happen the way I want it to. Because all I need is another pack to make another one of these, and then the last pack, because I have 3 packs. The last pack I'm gonna put in, like on the window and around the window, and I'm gonna put it around my closet. and probably around my bed. But that should be like as much as I have. That should be enough. Hopefully. Hopefully. So it was a lot easier to tackle this because I already knew what I was doing. It only took me like 5 minutes, bro. So this is my last little sticky bundle. What I plan on doing is I'm gonna put the vines above my closet, wrapped around there, and then I want to put it around my window. Around my window. So yeah, light's gonna get bad. Sorry guys, it's gonna get bad. So I'm gonna separate this bundle last, and then we're gonna put it up there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is play around and see which way I like it. So these are what I use. I know everybody uses like those little clips and the hanging things. And let's put this. So I did try to be cute and have those like hooks that like everybody uses like on room decors, and I forgot the name of them. If I find them, I'll put them in here. But they don't work for me. Like every time I try to use them, they either break, it pulls off the wall, it does a whole bunch of shit that's unnecessary. So we're just gonna do push pins because push pins have been the only thing that's been holding me down. So yeah. Morales. Okay, so I decided to not have it on both sides because it was giving me real Christmas, like I don't know why. So I decided just to have it just down the middle, just straight up like that because it's way better. And I did the same thing for the windowsills as well. I was like, this is not Christmas time. I don't know why it's giving me Christmas vibes. I don't like that. So I decided just to have the vines hanging like how I have the plants up there, except it's not gonna have the gold trimming at the top of it. It's just gonna be just hanging. All of it's used up, so I like it. It gives more character to the room because I didn't have, like, my room was so blah and bland, but I like it. Okie doke artichokes. Now it's time for us to put my plants in their new little homes. Since we took time out of our day to spray paint these, I'm gonna spray paint these. These should make the room lighten up more instead of them being in those black containers that they are in. So I think I got two. I think they're too big. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna go repot these and then. Okay, that should end a lot of it. So yeah. I mean, not ended, but you know, we should be mostly done with our tasks for today. Yes, battery holding in 27%. Yes, you're doing your thing, girl. You doing your thing. Alright, cool, I'm back. So after commercial break, we have been moving the hats. I want to have them like 2 rows of hat, and then once I get more hats, it's gonna keep going up. But for right now, we're gonna have the 2 rows. I just cleaned up a little bit around my room. I moved this over here, so like right when you walk in, you'll see it. My drawers broke, so I can't close the door. So people who come over are gonna have to see this nastiness. So I'll try to clean this up as best I can. But for the most part, the room is almost done. So the next thing I need is gonna be the acrylic. I'm gonna get acrylic shelves and put them up there, and then I'm gonna put my CDs up there. And then once we have that done, that's when the room should be finally done, and then I can do a room tour. So I just got the phone from my mom. I literally dead thought that she forgot to say it's my birthday. And it was like noon, and I was like, why hasn't this chick like hit me up? But I was born at noon. That's why she called me at noon. And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. She knows the exact time I was born. So therefore, she did hit me up. But, sidebar, the room will be revealed once I have my acrylics. So that's when you guys will see the whole room tour. Right now, I just have to vacuum and then put my sheets back together and then figure out this closet situation, how to make it look pretty. And yeah, but I have friends coming over later. I may film a little bit of that, but if not, I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. I can't wait to give you guys more content. Hope everybody has a beautiful day. And peace. Things that I'm gonna do. Wow, wow, wow.